Right away.
Took us a while to figure out that we had to actually rotate it while we're hitting it.
Shut up, I've been working all day, I'm just exhausted, yeah.
Okay guys, we're getting the rear brake on. This is the first one. That actually looks so much better now. Does it fit?
No, it's too big.
That is not my day. So it's day 2 and we're practically starting again. We have new rear rotors. We got some Dixcel high performance series. And my HIDs came as well. I got some pair of Philips D2R Extreme Vision Gen 2s. And also I bought a jack because we can't keep transporting big jacks on trains. It's just not fun and not OH&S friendly. There you go.
Shove that in your rectum.
Oh, come on, that's just gross. So this is the new rotor, and it looks like I'm running slotted for this time, so it's going to be pretty good. Pretty good, not drift spec, but it's a rotor face now. This is going to be thumbnail. Oh no, you got it in. Oh, see, perfect fit. That is so good. Yeah. High five, we give him with miss my hand.
Remember, you'll be on the road soon. Big sight. Hope you don't care having Loctite on the ground.
Oh, it's okay.
It's gonna probably wash out anyway.
Yeah, it's not really my my backyard.
But that's mine, and it just got I just got dirt in it.
It's okay.
Yeah, so just rip these wheels off, yeah?
Okay, so that one.
Yeah, just do a start button, man.
Yep.
Yep. No, just hold the trigger all the way down. Because it's gonna have to crack it off.
Oh yeah, true.
Start pattern, remember?
Yep. Ooh, this is a really handy tool.
Oh yeah.
How much was this?
It cost me like 25 bucks.
Yeah, that's how much they were trying to charge me. It's super cheap.
Yeah, they're handy, but
very handy.
There's better ones that can actually do the dual piston ones that are way better.
Oh yeah, that's good.
I'm
probably gonna get dual pistons anyway.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, perfect. We got the caps of approval on. Other side's done. Can't wait to have rims that don't have caps on them. So guys, we got the old brakes out. We got the new brakes in. We got the Xenons in. Although we got a spare that I need to put in at some point.
Just keep it until one of them goes.
Yeah.
That's probably your safest option.
Anyway, that's practically that. Now we're going to go and chill. And this has been the brake upgrade on the R34 sedan. Thank you guys for watching, and see you later, and have a good day.
Right, just some ass kisses.
Just some ass kisses. Yeah. No, don't worry, he's painting it anyway.
You'll be able to miss like that bit.
Hey Siobhan, did you end up finishing your drink? Or did you forget it up there?
Yeah, that's okay.
That's okay. Oh, you're just moving your car forward?
Yeah, no, I gotta get.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna miss the spot so much.